everybody and welcome back to my channel. So yes, I did go out. I went to Walgreens. My area, my exact area, my town is not infected at all. The town near us is infected, but I did wear gloves. I did have my mask on, but I just wanted to go there and get some food deals, which some of the food deals were sold out of. But you know, I still wanted to go there. I needed adult contact, but I got some good stuff, and as I was leaving I got some even better stuff. So as I was walking out the door, I spent a lot of time in the store just because I needed you know, just to figure out some deals for you guys. A lot of you guys are ordering online, which is totally fine, and I wanted to just kind of show some deals for you and there. But as I was leaving the store, they had all their winter stuff 90% off, you guys. Like, they had a ton of it because nobody's going to the store. And so I took a picture as I was walking out the door to put everything in my vehicle, and the husband's like, I took a picture of this. Now this is just regular ice melt. This was $1.08, you guys. $1.08. They had this originally for $10.88. Husband had me grab 6 of these. So I mean, for $1.08 a piece, that is a pretty good deal. They had hot hands. Now this is a 10-pack. They had these on sale for $99. They had 3-pack for like 69 cents, but otherwise the 10-pack for 99 cents was a great deal. They also had a shovel. This shovel was $1.99, I think. Yeah. So I got 2 of the shovels. The hot hands, I got 6 of those. But we got shovels just because, you know, we live in an area where there's lots of snow. I ended up getting this little brush right here. This was 69 cents on sale. I needed a new one. And then I actually got a good one. Also, this was $1.89. And this one you can do different things with it. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. So all those were 90% off. So you just definitely have to check out. Funny thing is, like, I was putting stuff in my car. Now, funny thing is, the whole freaking parking lot was empty, but this lady decided to park right next to me as I was pushing my cart to my vehicle. And so I'm like, okay, she has to park right next to me, even though all the other lots are empty. And I'm like, well, now I can't fit my cart right through, so I parked my cart right in front of my car, and then I'm bringing everything to the back of my van. And then as I put the cart back, she's like on her phone with probably her husband, you know, telling people about this. All this stuff is on sale because she saw me have a whole cart full of it. So I thought that was kind of cool. So that was like my thrill for the day because this is stuff that we actually need when it comes to wintertime. So as I got in there, I wanted to get some Easter stuff just because we're going to be doing some surprise Easter stuff with Ben and just things here and there. And there was a sign that I think it said buy 5 you get the 6th one free. Well, according to my receipt, it looks like you get buy 2 you get 1 free. I don't know if that's true, but I mean, I bought a lot of different Easter stuff and I got a few items, so I want to do that. So I went jelly bean crazy. My mom was telling me how she can't get out of the house because, you know, she's locked up in her area, but she loves black jelly beans, and so I'm like, I'm gonna surprise her with black jelly beans whenever I get to see her. So pretty much the Brock's, the Starburst, the Trolley, and the Sweetheart jelly beans are all $1.99. We do have a $1 off of 2 coupon. There's 2 different ones and 2 different weeks, so you guys will get them for like $1.49 a piece. They comes out to be just $2.98. So you guys could buy basically 6 bags, use 3 of those coupons, and you guys will get 2 bags free. So that's kind of cool. So I ended up getting the Trolley. I didn't even realize these were sour, but I ended up getting the Trolley Sour Bright. These are awesome, you guys. If you haven't tried the red ones, these are awesome. I opened a bag up yesterday and they were so good. So I got my red ones because I really love red jelly beans. I got another thing of black jelly beans. I'm going to give this to my mother, and this doesn't expire till 1.5 years from now. So we're golden with that. I got these Sweetheart jelly beans. I've never had these, so I'm pretty excited for those. I got just a regular bag of jelly beans. I got another bag of the red jelly beans. And then I ended up getting the Starburst one. Now the only Starburst ones that they had in the one spot were the red ones and the tropical ones. And I'm like, don't you guys have regular Starburst flavors? So I went in the candy aisle and they had those. So I ended up getting a bag of the flavor reds. 1 bag of the tropical. My phone just went off. And then I ended up getting 2 bags of the regular jelly beans. So I did go jelly bean crazy, but these are not for bed. A lot of them is just for me to snack on. And funny thing is, I forget to eat half the time. So yeah, I got a whole bag of jelly beans, which was awesome. And then I thought the sign, like I said, I thought the sign said buy 6, you get 1 free. Or buy 5, you get 1 free. Well, according to my receipt, it looks like it'd be 2 you buy, you get the 3rd one free. So I ended up getting these also. These were $2.99. We don't hardly have any Easter, decorating eggs kits because we haven't done it for a while. So these were buy 2, get 1 free. So I ended up getting 2 of these ones because Ben keeps dropping the eggs. So we got that. And then I also just got a regular colored cups. I did wipe all this stuff down, but I'm still wiping it down as I grab it. So those will be something we're going to work on with Benjamin later this week. I got Peeps because I was craving some Peeps, and like I said, I wanted to get some of the freebies. So I ended up just getting 4 packs of Peeps. Now I actually open these up and hide them because they're not hide them, but I open them up and let them harden. I really like that. These were 2 for $3. They had the small, the 1 line roads, and those were 2 for $2. But this one ended up becoming a better deal because you get $1.50 for 2 rows. So I ended up getting a bunch of those. So those were freebies that I got also. Where does it say on here? Peeps, 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 Peeps. Peeps, yeah, I got pretty much some of the Peeps for sale. So, pretty excited for that. And then I wanted to get some stuff for the kids' Easter basket. So I got this little Easter bunny car for Miss Charlotte. These were $4.99. It was buy 1, get 1 50% off. Plus, I think this also included the buy 5. There was a sign above it, but according to my receipt, I didn't get it. But I'm still fine with that. But I thought this is pretty cute. And then I got this like little chick head. And it's just like one of those stress reliever squeeze things. And I thought this is kind of good to have. So I'm giving this to Ben because he doesn't hardly have any toys that are going in his thing. And I'm trying not to have it all candy. So I got that. And I'm just going to wipe some stuff down. I'm going to put these in my drawers so he can't see it when he comes down here because he will be down here very, very soon. So we got that. There's Mitchum right now. These are $2.99. We do have a $2 off coupon. Plus there is a $2 off digital coupon, so you guys can use either one. It comes out to be just 99 cents. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, you can do that. Now, when I read the ad for the soup, I really wanted to stock up on soup. I was going to get this soup and then the one that's in those little plastic containers. But the ones in the plastic were 2 for $6, and I thought they were 2 for $4. So I ended up not getting them. But the Yes soup is 2 for $4. So you guys would pay $4 for this. But then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta. And you guys could basically get these for... Did I not write this down? Oh... Where did I write it down? You guys would get these for $1.50, so 75 cents a piece. So it's a pretty good deal if you guys need to stock up on soup. I heard if you do have like the virus, that it's good to have hot soup, hot drinks, just to keep your vocals. I don't know if that's true, but you can do that. Then I ended up getting the Purex. This was on sale for $1.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. Makes this just $1.99. So if you guys want to go ahead and get that, go for it. So looking forward to that. Now, like, chips were not marked at my store. he's like, yeah, they're 2 for $5. And then I says, well, there's ones in the ad that they say they're $1.88. He's like, yeah, it's those small, it's the small freaking bags. I'm like, really? Those are normally $1.89. Why would they just be on sale for a penny cheaper? He's like, I don't know. I says, I think it's the bigger bags. So he went and checked for me. So the bigger bags were $1.88, all the Lay's brands. So he was gonna go print tags for me. So I'm like, I got some sour cream and onion chips for $1.88. I've just been craving chips lately, so you know, I just have a couple here and there. I feel like I'm missing a bag right in front of me. Okay, so this was a deal I was not gonna get, but I ended up getting the toffee fay. Now the toffee fay, I forgot to take a picture of it. These were these were 88 cents a piece, you guys. 88 cents, okay? Husband's like, I need some chocolate, I need some candy. He's like begging me to get candy. He wants chocolate like up the wazoo, and I'm like, Graham, I do have chocolate, but it's not what he wants for me, okay? But these were 88 cents. You guys would pay 88 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta. Comes out to be just 38 cents a piece. So if you guys need Easter basket gifts or just, you know, want something to eat, I think that's a pretty good deal. And the limit on Ibotta was a limit of 5, so I took all 5 of them just because I wanted to take advantage of that deal. Husband wanted some turtles. These were 2 for $4, so I just got him these. I think they're 2 for $4. I don't remember. Yeah, 2 for $4, but I'm like, he's like, doesn't matter, just get it. You know, you shouldn't be worrying about saving money right now. And I'm like, okay, if that's what the husband wants, husband's paying for it. So I ended up getting those. I got the Poise liners. Now these were $5.99. There's a $2 off coupon that you guys can clip to your card. There might be some inserts, but I know there's a $2 off coupon. No, there's a $3 off coupon and a $2 off Walgreens booklet. I don't know. I can't remember. It's either the other one around. But anyways, you guys would get this for 99 cents. And this is a deal. Probably you can do it online if you guys want to do it. So definitely go ahead and do that. Yeah. So my store was sold out of like every single Tylenol, because I don't hardly have any Tylenol. I have other things, but my store was pretty much sold out of Tylenol. There was limits all over the place, which I was totally fine with because I didn't need any of that stuff. The only thing I really wanted to get was some Tylenol, but this store was sold out, so I'm not complaining. There were some other deals that I wanted to get, but the stores just didn't have enough of it, so totally fine with that. The cars right now, Hot Wheel cars are on sale for 79 cents. They're usually 2 for $2, so 79 cents are great Easter items. This is going to go in his Easter basket when we can do that. And then husband wanted some more chocolates and candy, so I got him some Butterfingers. These were cheaper to do it this way than to do it the other way, so I got him some Butterfingers and then Swedish Fish. These were 4 for $4, so I ended up getting them all 4 of those just because there's that. And then this is a regional deal. It does not work for everybody, but there is a deal where if you buy like 2 gift cards of specific gift cards, you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So what I ended up doing is I bought 2 Netflix gift cards for 30 bucks or $15 a piece, and then I got a $10 Walgreens gift card. I'm like, if we're going to be inside for a long time, I prefer to do this deal again. They do this deal maybe like once every other month or something like that, but I ended up spending $60 to get Netflix, but I did get $20 back in Walgreens gift cards, and then I used those Walgreens gift cards to buy my other things. So that is what I did. So the thing is, I find it out cheaper doing it this way because you get a free $10, because I'm already going to get charged this money anyway, so why not get something free for $10 additionally to that? So that is what I do with Netflix. We watch Netflix a long time. I've had Netflix longer than I've been with my husband, so I was pretty excited to do that deal. He's like, you get what you need, you get what you need. So that was my haul, you guys. Besides the Netflix stuff that I got, my total, it was $117 before they scanned my card. 117 bucks. But that's not including the 90% off. This 90% off came to like $16 for all that stuff, but I ended up using $10 in points. So I paid $6 for all that stuff. But everything that I showed you guys here, it came to $47.79. I did use $20 in gift cards, and then I did use $20 in points. So I didn't hardly have to pay for anything. So I was pretty excited about that. I didn't get any points. I did have a Catalina that if you spend 20 you get 5,000 points printout, but it did not work because I did pay with points. But other than that, I mean, it was a pretty good deal. I'll show you guys the other deals that I was thinking of doing, but my store did not have enough on hand. They had the frozen meals. I wanted to get some corn dogs. They had them for $10. The store was completely sold out. They had mozzarella sticks. So that was a pretty good deal, coming out to $2.50 a piece for a whole bunch of different foods for $4 for $10. I was going to get baking soda. My store was completely sold out of baking soda. That was 99 cents. They had nice bags, $2.79. It's buy one, you get two free. So you guys would pay $2.79. It comes out to be just 93 cents a piece. They had nice plates, or the country home, I don't remember the brand of that. Those were $3.49. You guys would pay $3.49. It's buy one, get one free. So you get them for basically $1.75 a piece, if I'm doing my math right. Yeah, $1.75 a piece. I was going to do the Palmolive, but there was signs everywhere that said there was a limit, and I don't need any more soap. So I'm like, I'm just going to leave it there for somebody who does need it, because I don't need to be greedy and grab more stuff that I don't really need. You know, I'm stocked up on a lot of that stuff. But the Palmolive soap was $1.99. There is a printable, there is a 50% off coupon that we got in our inserts, or there is a 50% off digital coupon that you guys can use. Comes out to be just $1.49 for the bigger bags, so if you guys want to go do that. I was going to do the Old Spice body wash deal, but the ones that I was going to get were actually $6.99. I was going to do the 2 for $12, and then I thought, oh, there's an Ibotta rebate. But the ones that I was going to do were $6.99, but my store didn't have enough on hand to do the deal that I wanted to do. So I'll do the breakdowns for you guys in a little second with the picture included. And then they also had Old Spice body wash, but my store did not have enough on hand for me to do that deal, and that turned out a really good deal because there's some really good coupons. I might check online to see if I can do some deals with that. Walgreens is running behind on their orders. I ordered 2 things last Sunday, and I still haven't got anything to ship yet. They did send an email saying that they're extremely behind, so just be prepared that they are running really behind. But I'm going to try to do some more online deals and show you guys. I will definitely do a haul for you guys when I do get that. But there was that. Other than that, that was everything. Oh, and I didn't include this, but I did get like the Dr. Pepper, Coke products, Pepsi products. Those are all 3 for $8.99. So they come out to be just $2.99 a piece. That is the only time I will really buy pop now. I mean, there's some flavors that Walgreens doesn't sell that I'll get somewhere else, but that is the time that I buy pop. And since we're at home, I got a Mountain Dew, a Diet Dr. Pepper, and then I got a Diet Coke. So we got that, but other than that, that was my haul. It was so nice to get out. I told the manager, I'm like, you guys, you know, you're the only person I've been able to talk to. They're like, you should come in, you know, it doesn't matter. Everybody else is coming in. And I understand that everybody else is coming in, but I want to be safe. I want to keep my family safe. But like I did say, I was wearing a mask. I did have gloves on. I wiped everything down. So everything, you know, I took at a precaution. So if you guys need to get out, definitely just try to get out and get some groceries. You know, that's the best thing. They got some really good food deals. But other than that, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys. Not sure when I'll see you guys for another haul. I might do another one. It just depends on what deals there are and what kind of deals they have going on. So see you guys all later. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.